Okay, Sarah, I've got this just a little video here to show you where the quote lectures are, and I'm in Top Hat, and this is chapter 6. And if we go like this first section on the nature of merchandising business, this is a lecture on service versus merchandising companies. Okay, it's a video that runs like right here. Okay, most of them are on YouTube.
Let's get just started.
Okay. This is another lecture here on the on merchandising businesses. And then if we go to purchase and sales transactions, this is sort of a short chapter, so there isn't that much. Here's another video on how to deal with freight. And then these examples are ones that we would do in class if this was a live class. And they really are an integral part of studying the chapter. So this one is on purchases and sales transactions, and then this one is on sales transactions. And these problems are in the ProCopy book. Okay, and then there are some questions. For financial statements, okay, you should read this section, and there's a video here on the format for a multi-step income statement. And then there's another video that goes through an example of, I think it was problem 8 on Racine furnishings in the ProCopy book that does it together and, talks about some of the things you've got to watch out for. So those are the actual videos for class. If you're looking for a formal, like hour and 15-minute lecture, you won't find that there because I don't believe in them. I think you fall asleep when you listen to something that long, and when I teach accounting, I like to jump back and forth so that we're doing things and studying things and reading things and moving around a little bit more than that. Okay? So I hope this helps.